a simple example to illustrate the use of do while loop. Why in such cases a do while loop is preferred, why not a while loop? Let's do a simple task. I'm going to illustrate this with a simple task. You can apply these concepts to any program of your choice. Assume that I want to find area of circle. A simple example. By this time, if you have followed the videos properly, we will be able to say the program to find area of circle much easily. Simple. Say the program along with me. First, what you will do is you will declare the variable r for storing the radius. Then you will ask the user to enter the radius. Printf, enter the radius. Scanf, %f, ampersand of r. And then I'll say printf area equals to 3.14 asterisk r asterisk r. I believe you might have said the program as fast as I said. If not as fast as, at least in coordinates with me. You might have thought of these instructions, probably. You will be able to speak it much better than me at the end of the entire sessions. So, I wish to find area of circle. A simple program. Let me present that particular program for you to find area of circle. Now, what I need a modification in this is, this program should restart automatically, so that I can test this program for different inputs. How exactly it has to be? Probably the words are not much clear now. Let me say it this way. Assume that you are trying the program on a Turbo C++ compiler. When you run the program, you will be taken to the output screen, you will be asked to enter the radius, you give the radius, and after that it displays the area, you are happy with that particular area, press any key, you will come back to the program screen. Now, if one of your friend comes and says that I am supposed to check this program one more time, what I need to do is, I need to again give a command for execution. That is, if you are using shortcut keys, you have to press Ctrl F9, or you have to hover the mouse around run and then click on run option. Again it will ask me to enter the radius and then enter the radius one more time, check the output. So here I am manually restarting the program one more time. Why don't we make the program to repeat on its own based on a user's choice? Why don't we give a code for an instruction for the user? Suppose if the user does a program once, the user says that I'm supposed to try this particular program once. So this is my program. At the end, what I'll do is I'll ask a choice from the user, that does he wish to continue, does he or she wish to continue this particular program for one more time. If he says yes, I'll ask him to press 1. 1 is for yes and 2 is for say no. If the user says yes, I'm supposed to go back and restart this particular code. If the user says no, I'm supposed to stop this particular operation and then continue. Again, at the second operation, the program will work, the program will ask the radius, display the area, again it gives a choice whether to redo the program one more time or stop. If it says yes, again go back and redo the program one more time. Keep on doing this particular task again and again till the user repeats. Now here, what is the difference between the concepts which I spoke now and which I spoke at the starting of this program? I said the program should restart automatically. Now you might have got the word what I mean by restart automatically. Without giving a command for run, why don't we give a choice to the user that whether he wants to continue it one more time or whether he wants to stop. So let me show the program for you. Now this is a normal traditional program to find the area of circle. I have shown this program for finding the area of circle. You can try this on any program of your choice. You can apply the concepts which I am speaking to any program of your choice. So let's ask the user to enter the radius, read the radius and then area of the circle. Now let me put a dotted line around this particular code. Now this is my program. Now you can replace your content with this. Let me say this is a program. So I have this program, so I'm supposed to now make this program to work for multiple times. So where do you ask a choice? Do you ask a choice at the beginning of the code or at the end of the code? Yes, at the end of the code. Got it right. I'm supposed to ask the choice at the end of the code. So let me ask the user to enter the choice. So I'll say printf. I'll say press 1. Continue. 2. Exit. Or you can say do you wish to continue? 1 yes, 2 no. you can give an instruction as per your choice. So I'll say press 1, continue, to exit. Now this message is flashed to the user. Let me read this particular choice. So in response to this question, the user will enter a value called as 1. So that will be read as say scanf %d, ampersand of k. So I'll read this particular choice. So k is the choice which has been read. After that, it says that k will either store 1 or k will either store 2. If k is 1, what I need to do? If k is 1, I'm supposed to go back and restart this particular code. Restart this code from this point, hence put a curly bracket around this and curly bracket around this. If he says 1, I'm supposed to go back, so I'll say while. On what value of k you want to continue? While k is equal to 1. If k is 1, 1 equal to 1, true. True in the sense from this place I'm supposed to go back, so I'll say do. So do, and then I'll say again k, again it's asked me the radius, read the radius, calculate the area, again give a message 1 to continue, 2 to exit. If he says 1, 1 equal to 1, true. If it is true, again go back and repeat the task. Here, have I given a manual command to run the program again and again? No. I'm just pressing a choice 1 so that the program continues for the operation. So here, I have done it for a simple code called as area of circle. You can try this code on any program. The one which I have written with red color, they are nothing but the instructions which are supposed to be added when the program has to restart automatically, right? So why a do while? Why not while? I had to put a question after at least doing a one time the operation. Once the operation has been done, then only I'm supposed to put a question, do you wish to continue? You can't put a question at the beginning, do you wish to continue? And then ask the user to enter the radius. No, that will not be appropriate. So in some operations, it is always advisable to do a task at least once and then put a question that whether you want to do it for one more time or continue it or you stop. If he says continue, then I'm supposed to go back. If he says no, then I'm supposed to quit. So basically, a do while loop is a must in such examples where you are supposed to make a decision not at the beginning but at the end. This is one simplest example of illustration of do while loop where a code has been written. You can use any of those previous codes of while, if, else, switch case and make the program to restart automatically. Thank you.